Ayan, may bahay na naman na ililipat. O, dalawa pala. Andun yung isa. Ayan, pagdudugtungin yan. Tapos may escort siyang oversized load. Ganyan yung bahay dito na tinitirhan namin. Ayan po, at bibiyahe kami bukas. Naayos ko na para pantay kasi almost 2 hours yung biyahe. Hello mga kakapsat, at ito, naglalakad ako dito sa may downtown ng San Francisco. Pinarada ko yung van ko doon sa may barn namin, sa garahe sa trabaho ko, at sumakay ako ng bus dahil mahal dito ang parkingan. At papunta ako sa safety award ng mga operators, mga driver. At isa naman ako sa napili. Bali may lunch kami dito. Kaya ito ang restaurant. At kailangan na medyo formal ang attire. Hindi ako sanay magsuot ng formal ng attire. Pero kailangan eh.
And all supervisors agree that you operators are the VIPs. You're out there every day, year round, and you give so much. And we're going to talk all about their accomplishments later because we're going to be recognizing each of you have a minimum of 15 years, all the way up to 50 years of safe driving experience. We're celebrating also a lot of other milestones. So go ahead and turn to the person to your right and say, I'm a safe driver.